Hey guys, what's going on? I'm Redmi here. So today is my time to do a unbox some accessories for my iPhone X, was a case and the tempered glass as well. And so without further ado, let's get started. Let's open it. I have two accessories for my X, which is the case and also the tempered glass. Alright, so probably it's not a 14 Pro Max, it's just a iPhone XS tempered glass. It also fit on the X and 11 Pro as well. Now let's open it. This is just extra box he give me. This is the actual one. So here's the step. Let's open it. What we have: a tempered glass without a black border at the side. Very nice. What else? Oh, we got this nice for the before installing, a sticker removing the dust absorber and the wipes, dry and wet. That's the complete. And now let me show you the case. Let's unbox. Actually the pattern is not like this, but let me show you the actual one. It's very nice, my favorite too. Alright, so here's the case. Wow, but I really like more the without a hole on for the logo, just like this. Way more beautiful than the whole logo, but never mind, the pattern was my favorite. Yeah. Alright, so here's my iPhone X without tempered glass, without case. Very nice. So this is the before. Alright, so the tempered glass and the case as well already been installed, and here it is. Wow, it looks very cool. No bubble at all for the tempered glass, and for the case, wow, if this hole is closed, way more better. But it still looks nice. Very nice. I'm so happy. It is like a leather and rubber, but actually all are rubber. Very nice. And so before I end this video, you can give a feedback for the unboxing and after installing the both tempered glass and the case as well in the comment below. And so that's all for me. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on this video. Goodbye and have a nice day. So here's all of the stuff box. Hope you like it.